vehicles out there, and some we get a taste for at a young age, often on 3 wheels to be safe. From there we can graduate to 2 wheels, which for some becomes a lifelong passion, and there are of course lots of 4-wheeled vehicles out there. It's the most common. But there actually continue to be big 3-wheel vehicles out there, and along with those bikes, motorcycles, and similar vehicles have a whole different type of steering system. It's single track steering. Let's take a closer look at that. You don't have to be a physicist to really get a grasp of how that works. Simply understand some basic laws of motion. Your motorcycle, your bike, they're single track vehicles that pivot at the steering neck. All single track vehicles have to bank or lean to make a corner. Try sitting still on your bike and push the handlebars to the left, with the front wheel facing left. You and the weight of your motorcycle will then fall to the right. So when you enter a turn and push the other direction, the weight leans into that turn. For a single track vehicle, the 2 wheels do not follow the same path during a turn. Called out-tracking, the front wheel rides outside the track of the rear wheel or wheels, in the case of a 3-wheel vehicle. Counter-steering before a turn points the rear wheel in the right direction you want to go, while simultaneously creating a lean. There are forces on the rotating mass of the vehicle, the bike, tires, wheels, etc., that resist changing directions. Those forces apply pressure to the back and side of the corner on the front tire. When you turn right, your contact patch on your front wheel is behind the axle on the right. While body movement is useful, many riders force the motorcycle into a corner thinking body movement is more important than technique. Forcing a motorcycle into a turn by slinging your body off the bike throws off your center of gravity and actually creates a very untidy corner. And cornering can be affected. It can also be a serious safety hazard. You can use counter steering solely for leaning your bike over and perform the turn without shifting your body. It takes very little effort in the handlebars to produce effective counter steering and leaning. Shifting your body weight throws off the bike's center of gravity and shifts the roll momentum center, creating imprecise cornering. Gyroscopic forces and inertia resist our attempts to turn the front wheel. The force we apply to the handlebars turns the wheel along the longitudinal plane, tilting the axis of the rotating mass, that is, the axle of the front wheel, banking the motorcycle. This creates the entire counter-steering effect, push right to turn. Most motorcycles will experience the adequate gyroscopic inertia over about 15 miles per hour. Things like weight, wheelbase, wheel and tire size can all contribute to how much the forces of Mother Nature have over your bike. So you must both push and pull to get your motorcycle around a corner. All part of single track steering and understanding it.